I'm in the backyard assessing any damage that might have occurred from this severe rain and windstorm that they were talking about. There's a tree back there. It looks like it's leaning quite a bit. In fact, I think that tree has fallen and is being held up by the other one. Can't really tell though. Usually the junk that's in the little stream behind the house is not really visible because everything's all bloomed up out, and you can't see it through the trees. I see it down there now. A lot of times in the winter you can't see it anyway just because of the snow. And of course the neighbor's got some stuff behind their house too. That tree doesn't worry me. It's not close to my garage. And it's being held up by not one but two other trees. Someday that'll fall. This tree directly behind my garage seems to be in good shape, although part of it is too close to the roof, and look how much it's filling up my gutter. I gotta get up there and do this, or have somebody do this. Anybody know a good gutter person? Because I could use some repairs to some of the gutters here as well. Now this tree over here worries me. That one's leaning a hell of a lot. It doesn't seem to be leaning toward the garage so much. I don't know. You can see the wind affecting the branches way above on that tree. And then there's a million birds right up there. Let's see. Now here's the thing that gets me. I think that tree is actually two trees. Yeah, if I can get past all these pricker bushes. The neighbor put a log here to prevent the kids from going over here. They had a fence. I don't know what happened. It's no longer here. Kids have dumped their bike behind the garage for some reason. Wow, look at all that stuff down there. Yeah, that's actually two trees, and it's split off going that way. I don't know if that's going to come down. Does that look solid or not? And it looks like some branch came down over there. Yeah, definitely need to get these gutters cleaned out. Anybody know what kind of bush this is, or what? I don't want to end up getting sick again from something like poison sumac because I didn't know it was on the property. It was growing alongside the house. I cleaned it out without any protection. Got it all over my face and all over my arms. It was not fun. For all I know, it may have even spread to my inner ear, because I've had that problem recently too. And birds are going crazy out there. All right, that's what it looks like out here. There's not a trace of snow anywhere in these yards. And then we have another storm coming up on Friday. It's supposed to be another windy, rainy storm. I think they exaggerate some of these things a little bit. I don't know. I've heard there's a lot of people without power right now. I'm not one of them yet. Wow, take a look at the clouds up there and how fast they're moving. If I can keep this steady enough. Doesn't look like I can. They are moving at a good clip. And where are they going? What makes them all just change their mind all of a sudden? Well, a group went that way, a group went that way. Okay. All right, I'm done. That's 5 minutes almost. Well, how about I stretch it out to 5 minutes? I don't know if that does anything. Hey, I just noticed, I think my neighbor has a clothesline. That's new.